Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and the best option is to connect using the Wi-Fi, because if you will have your mobile data turned on and you will download something, then your mobile operator may charge you for the downloading and for the usage, some extra usage of the mobile data. I hope that you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. So just focus on it, that you have to have internet connection, and then we can enter the Play Store. So let's tap on it. Now all we have to do is simply tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we will have the full list of all updates pending, and if you have updated any of apps, then they will appear in the recently updated. If you will have much more apps to update, you will be able to update all of them with only one click, just by tapping on this green button, Update All. But if you'd like to choose only one or two of them in order to update them, then just find them in the list and tap on Update right next to it. So let me tap on Update. And as you can see, now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.